Children, chapter 4 you have already completed. Now chapter 5, that is playing with numbers, and this is easy chapter. As you know, playing with numbers, you are going to play with the numbers. Clear? The numbers. Number any number based on the digit. Suppose I have taken 64. 64. This is a 2-digit number. Clear? So 64 we can write 60 plus 4. Now 60 we can write 6 into 10 plus 4. Okay. So this is the format is 10a plus b. The format of the 2-digit number is 10a plus b. Why 10a? Because this is 1's place, this is 10's place. Clear? So 10 into a plus b. This is the number. Clear? Can we write any other number? Yes, of course we can write any number. Suppose I have taken 52. So 50 plus 2. 5. We can write 5 into 10 plus 2. The format of the 2-digit number is 10a plus b. Okay. If you want to reverse the digit 52, you want to reverse, then 25. The reverse digit would be 25. So the number, the format would be also reversed. So in place of this a, this will come 10b plus a. This is the reverse of the digit, 2-digit number. Clear, children? So because here 52 reversed into 25. So the format would be 10b plus a. Clear? Now take one property. Some interesting properties are there. The first property of 2-digit number is, property first, consider a 2-digit number AB. So this is the 2-digit number AB. AB. Any other number you can take. Suppose I have taken AB equal to 10a plus b. By this property we will find out the value of AB, a plus b. Okay. And the number obtained on reversing its digit. Now you can reverse this digit. AB will reverse into BA. Clear, children? So BA equal to value is 10b plus a. This is the reverse of the digit, as already I have explained. Now this is the sum of 2-digit number. Clear? So now both you add AB plus BA equal to 10a plus b plus 10b plus a. This both you add. So take out common. What you will take out common here? First solve this one. 10a plus a. 11a plus 10b plus b. 11b. So AB plus BA value is 11a plus 11b. Take out 11 common. A plus B. Clear? And now here also take out common. What you will take out? AB plus BA. So AB plus BA equal to 11a plus B. So AB plus BA divided by 11 equal to a plus b. Clear, children? Now you can find one more value. This you can divide this also, because these both are in multiplication form. So a plus b equal to AB plus BA divided by 11. One value I have taken out. Another value is and divide by this AB plus BA divided by A plus B. The quotient would be 11. Clear, children? This is the another value. If you will divide AB plus BA divided by A plus B, the quotient equal to 11. Clear? And when AB plus BA is divided by 11, this you will get the quotient A plus B. So based on this you can solve many problems. Consider 2-digit number. Let's take one example. Consider two digit number. I am taking 35. Clear? Now 35, this is the two digit number. Reverse of this digit is 53. Reverse the digit, that is 53. Now sum of these two numbers would be, take out sum, 35 plus 53. Result is 88. Clear? As already explained, sum of two digit number 88 divided by 11. Already we have understood this result when we have to find out the a plus b value, you have to divide by 11. Clear? So 88 divided by 11, you will get the quotient 8. The sum of 35 and 53 is divisible by 11. That means it is divisible by 11. Okay. Also we can find out this 88 divided by this a plus b. So what is a? A is 3 and b is 5. A is 3 and b is 5. So 3 plus 5 equal to 88 by divided by 8 equal to quotient is 11. So you can see this property proved here by this example. Okay children. Now you can solve any other example also by this property. Now third property is, that is difference of the two digit. Like that we can solve. I have solved here sum of the two digit. Now difference of the two digit number also you can solve in the same manner. Suppose I have two digit number taken AB equal to 10A plus B, and reverse of this digit is BA equal to 10B plus A. Now you have to find out difference of the digit. First we have find out already that is sum of digit. Now difference of the digit. Just these two equation subtract. AB minus BA equal to 10A plus B minus 10B plus A. Keep in bracket this because subtraction sign is, minus sign is here. So you will keep it better in bracket. Now AB minus BA equal to 10A plus B minus 10B plus minus A. So you will get the value 9A minus 9B. The AB minus BA equal to 9A minus 9B. Take out the common, 9A minus B. AB minus BA. So first value you will find out AB minus BA divided by 9. The quotient would be A minus B. Clear? Understood? And second is AB minus BA divided by A minus B. The quotient would be 9. This is the second result. Clear children? If A is greater than B, then AB is greater than BA. So on dividing AB minus BA by 9, the result means the quotient would be A minus B. Clear? On dividing AB minus BA by A minus B, the quotient would be 9. Clear? So if, but in the second case, if B greater than A, that is BA greater than AB, on dividing BA minus AB by 9, quotient would be B minus A. Just reverse this digit in the same manner. Clear? On dividing BA minus AB by B minus A, the quotient would be 9. Clear children? So consider one more example by this property, difference of the two digit. Consider two digit number 73. Okay, 73. Difference of this, first you take reverse of this number. The reverse is 37. Clear? Now difference find out, 73 minus 37. What would be the result? 36. Now 36 divided by 9, the result quotient is 4. So difference between 73 and 37, you can check. It is when divided by 9, result quotient is 4. So it is divisible by 9. Also another value also you can check. 36 divided by a minus b. A minus b means 7 minus 3. The result is 36 divided by 4. So quotient is 9. So difference between 73 and 37 is divisible by the difference between this digit is 7 and 3. So this is divisible by 7 and 3. Clear, children? Now second generalized form is 3-digit number. We will understand 3-digit number. Any number you can take 257. Clear? 257. Suppose this is A, B and C. Ones, tens and 100. So we can write like this: 200 plus 50 plus 7. 200 also we can divide it like this. We can expand 2 into 100 plus 5 into 10 plus 7. Clear? So the format would be, what would be the format? 100. Tell me. You can tell 100A plus 10B plus C. This is the format of the 3-digit number. Clear, children? So 3-digit number, when you will reverse this A, B, C, any number. So in the in three types we can ABC, then BCA, then CAB. In this form you can reverse. ABC already I have written, 100A plus 10B plus C. Clear? Now BCA. BCA reverse means 100B plus 10C plus A. Now CAB, 100C plus 10 what? 10A plus B. Clear, children? So by this, based on this 3-digit number, one property is also there. Just see here. Property number 3. Consider 3-digit number ABC on changing its digit in order as shown ahead: ABC, BCA and CAB. Take ABC equal to value 100A plus 10B plus C, and BCA value is BCA 100B plus 10C plus A, and CAB value equal to 100C plus 10A plus B. Clear? Now add sum of the all 3-digit number. So ABC plus BCA plus CAB equal to, add all the numbers, 100A plus A, 111A. So directly I am writing here 111A plus 111B plus 111C. Clear, children? Now take out common 1, 1, 1, A plus B plus C. Now divide it. When we will divide this 3-digit number, ABC plus BCA plus CAB divided by 1, 1, 1, the quotient is A plus B plus C. Okay. Also one more value, and we can write, if we will divide ABC plus BCA plus CAB divided by A plus B plus C, result is, means quotient is 1, 1, 1. Clear, children? So easily you can solve this by some of the examples given in your book. You can see and can solve. It is very easy exercise, 5A. Easily you can solve. There is no problem. 3-digit number, 2-digit number, some questions are there. If any doubt in any question, you can ask in group. Clear, children? I hope it is clear to you.